In the hills of Himachal Pradesh, along the Pandoh bypass, a bridge was struck by a natural disaster caused by a major stone fall. In 2024, one such landslide caused heavy damage to the bridge here, breaking a vital connection for the people of the region. Repairing a bridge in such difficult conditions was not an easy task. But SCON Infra Prestress LLP took on the challenge. With careful planning and precise execution, our team began the work of restoring strength to the bridge. The span was carefully lifted by 15 millimeters, its girder shifted by 60 millimeters. For this, 25 jacks and 3 hydraulic pumps were used. Step by step, the damaged structure was brought back to life, making it safe once again. The structure was further strengthened through the method of external pre-stressing, where high-strength tendons were tensioned outside the bridge to restore its load-bearing capacity and provide additional durability against future stresses. But nature had other plans. Later in 2025, another landslide struck, once again damaging the same bridge. The challenge was even greater this time. The damage was more severe, and the repair work demanded even more precision and strength. To restore the bridge, our engineers had to lift it by 20 millimeters, shift it sideways by 150 millimeters, and move it forward by another 150 millimeters. With the help of 24 powerful SCON jacks, the team worked tirelessly, ensuring the bridge could stand strong once more. Today, the Pandoh Bridge stands renewed, safe, sturdy, and ready to serve the people of Himachal again. This project is more than just engineering. It is a story of resilience, teamwork, and determination. At SCON, we take pride in overcoming challenges and building a safer, stronger future.